हेलो व्हाट्सअप। जैसे कि मैंने लास्ट बार में बोला था कि आई हैव गॉट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ अ जूरी मेंबर एट IIT वेर आई विल बी जजिंग प्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ डिफरेंट बैचेस। सो आई एम हेडिंग देयर। 3 बजे का सेशन है, जल्दी से वहाँ पहुँचता हूँ। आई रिकॉर्ड एज मच एज पॉसिबल एंड आई शेयर माई इनसाइट, माई लर्निंग्स, एवरीथिंग इन द एंड ऑफ द वीडियो। हाउ आई फेल्ट, हाउ आई एक्सपीरियंस दिस होल मोमेंट लास्ट में बताता हूँ। सो येस, सी यू देयर। दिस प्लेस यार, yes guys, I'm here. So guys, it's a big moment for me because I left as a digital marketing graduate in 2019 and now entering as a jury member. I mean, such a big moment for me. Like, I've achieved a lot of things, small wins for me, but yeah, like truly grateful for this opportunity, and obviously a lot of hard work that I've put in, and I've reached here. So nothing is impossible. I mean, gyan nahi dena, but yeah, it is what it is. Like, whatever I'm feeling right now, I'm just sharing with you all. Sitting in a IID cabin and sharing this feeling and experience with you is something amazing. And so that is something I felt it was missing, since it was senior citizen targeting based campaign. You could have come up with, say, for example, 60%, but the platform strategy in place. Like, for example, Cadbury. Since you guys are targeting, say, oldies, finally presentations हो गए, जज कर लिया. So guys, back to home after a wonderful and eventful day at IIT. It was a great experience, honestly. So just to give you a context, online batches होते हैं institute में, like 6 months, 8 months and all. तो उनके ना mid-year presentations थे, and we have been called to judge the presentation. Basically, how are they coming up with this campaign ideas? What is the problem statement? How are they solving it? What are the touch points that they are covering from a marketing point of view? I'll just quickly talk about how I felt, what was the feeling, or what was my opinion about this. Honestly speaking, yeah, मुझे ना कहीं ऐसा लगा कि lot of people don't think from a brand point of view today. They just think कि यार idea करना है, but I've seen people who just come up with ideas, but they lack in terms of insights. What is the observation, and how is this particular idea is backed by a data? Because right now, if you see, कोई भी brand manager ले लो या कोई भी client side जो बैठा है, उन लोग हमेशा यही क्वेश्चन करते हैं कि what is the insight, या how is this relevant to my audience, is there any data, is there any proof point, something like that. सो वो सारी चीज़ें ना अभी भी लोग बहुत मिस करते हैं. एंड सिंस इट्स लाइक, मतलब जब आप पढ़ाई करते हो ना, ये चीज़ें पढ़ाई में कवर होती है, नहीं भी होती है, बट इवेंचुअली वंस यू गेट इन टू द एडवर्टाइजिंग वर्ल्ड एंड एक्सपीरियंस रियल क्लाइंट्स, रियल मीटिंग, रियल इंटरेक्शंस एंड ऑल, ये सारी चीज़ें ना तभी बहुत अच्छे से सीखने मिलती है. So that is something I also shared my experiences, like working with different brands and all, and how our client thinks when we present the ideas, what they expect, and how do you have to package your deck and everything, like basic understanding of pitching an idea or creating presentation for clients. That is something I also shared with them. Today's generation go very bold, like they don't understand कि brand ने पोजिशन कैसे किया हुआ है इतने सालों से. आर दे विलिंग टू टेक दैट बोल्ड कॉल? आई एम नॉट श्योर. मतलब इट डिपेंड्स, ऑनेस्टली इट डिपेंड्स. बट लेगेसी ब्रांड्स जैसे मैकडोनल्ड्स हो गया, या बर्गर किंग हो गया, किटकैट हो गया, कैडबरी हो गया, ऑल अदर, लाइक जिन्होंने अपना एक ऐसा एक कम्युनिकेशन सेट करके रखा है कि दिस इज हाउ वी विल टॉक, दिस इज हाउ विल प्रेजेंट आवर सेल्फ टू द ऑडियंस, एंड उसको ब्रेक करना इज लिटिल डिफिकल्ट. एंड दैट इज समथिंग आई फील लाइक टुडेज जनरेशन इज लिटिल बिट ऑफ मिसिंग. लाइक दे थिंक यार ब्रांड इज happy or maybe are ready to experiment new things. They will not, because उन्होंने ऑलरेडी एक बेस क्रिएट कर रखा है, एक ब्रांड इमेज क्रिएट कर रखा है. सो जस्ट गोइंग आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स, it will damage brand image some or the other way. So client will be little hesitant to take that approach, or maybe approve that idea without backed by a data, or if you have a strong research कि नहीं ये चलेगा ही चलेगा, then they will show trust or believe you on their idea. So that is what something I learned, and amazing experience. Thank you IID for giving me this opportunity to come and just share my experience, judge the presentation and all. It was amazing. Thank you so much. Since it was first time for me, so I was little bit nervous and also scared कि यार लोग मुझे seriously लेंगे कि नहीं, because they are also seeing for me for the first time and all. तो थोड़ा होता है यार, हिचकिचाहट होती है, but amazing students, amazing people, like they, whatever I shared, like feedback, experience, my inputs, my thought process, they listened carefully, and they also implemented few of the things while they were talking. So it was like amazing experience for me. And also the supervisor or the professor who was monitoring and leading this whole presentation, he also came to me and said ki yaar, most of the things you covered when you were giving the feedback, because he was supposed to share all this feedback to their students after the presentation, but I most of the points that he was going to speak मैंने cover कर दिए थे. That's when I felt यार I've done something. मतलब कुछ तो उखाड़ा है लाइफ में. एंड ऑनेस्टली यार ये सारे मोमेंट्स बार बार नहीं आते. सो सुपर ग्रेटफुल, सुपर हैप्पी. I'll keep sharing what I've learned from the past experience and real life experiences and all. So keep watching my channels. You will definitely find a lot of value addition content on this channel. Thank you so much. If you like this video, like comment कर दो, share कर दो, and just थोड़ा support कर दो. Thank you. See you again tomorrow.